By the end of the video, we'll know about Pike push-up workout calisthenics. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an exciting workout featuring the Pike push-up, a variation of the standard push-up that targets your core and glutes. So, grab your mat and let's get started. Maximize your gains with Dimetize ISO 100 hydrolyzed protein powder, an optimum nutrition gold standard 100% whey protein powder with quality ingredients and delicious flavors. Fuel your workouts and recovery. Find the links in the description and take your fitness journey to the next level. First up, position yourself like a downward dog, but bring your hands a little closer together than your shoulders, keeping your feet hip-width apart. Lower yourself until you're in a pike position. Now, engage your core and glutes as you lower yourself until your head almost touches the mat. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. From there, push back up to the starting position and repeat the process. The key here is to maintain proper form by keeping your back straight and avoiding bending at the hips. Give this workout a try every week to see tangible progress in your core and glute strength. Remember to celebrate each victory along the way, no matter how small it may seem. Achieving small goals can be incredibly motivating and help keep you on track towards bigger fitness milestones. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this workout and want more fitness tips and tricks, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more content. Stay fit and healthy, everyone.